not easy. Powering the world is not easy. Building a world-class facility is not easy. A world-class facility requires expertise and a belief in your world-class product. Over 500 acres of growth corridor, having the continent's largest battery manufacturing plant, having global technology expertise for 4 decades? Yes, it's all here at the Amara Raja Batteries. The best-in-class facilities for lead-acid battery manufacturing. And building really long-lasting batteries is not easy. It requires a lot of grit to cast these precisely designed grids. These positive and negative grids are made from lead alloys that are systematically stored and color-coded for easy identification. Pure lead ingots are melted, milled, and stored in large silos in fine powdered form. The lead oxide from the oxide plant is then brought to the pasting section, where it is mixed with proprietary additives and pasted as electrically active mass on the grids. Once pasted, these plates are then dried and bunched, finally, to be picked and placed by our state-of-the-art robotic systems. The pasted plates are then brought to massive ovens for curing, where they are dried and kept for aging. The next step involves putting together the components of a battery pack. The positive and negative plates are stacked in a group with a separator inserted to prevent them from touching. The plates of same polarity are connected together by the cast-on-strap process. These groups are then stacked in the container, welded, heat-sealed, post-burn, laser-marked, and leak-tested. Every component coming in for this assembly is first tested for several quality parameters: physical, chemical, instrumentation, and others. But the gumption of a visionary brand doesn't end here. To execute better process controls and ensure supreme quality of materials, the containers are injection molded in the company's own high-tech container manufacturing facility. After the pack is assembled, the batteries are brought to a huge setup in the formation section for further nurturing. First, acid filling is carried out in a highly automated and controlled environment. And then they are guided to their charging stations. Sensor-controlled conveyors and automated guided vehicles are deployed here to handle the packs with utmost care. Highly engineered charging stations and trained professionals oversee the charging and discharging cycles. Recycled water is circulated to lower heat dissipation. The consciousness for environment sustainability doesn't end here. All the units here are covered with a series of solar rooftops, generating large megawatts of energy. 40% of the area is covered with planted trees, and water bodies are being protected and looked after. Our zero liquid discharge plant treats and recycles 100% of the water used in manufacturing process. The world-class pollution control equipment ensures we meet the highest international standards in emission norms. Finally, the charged batteries are brought to the finishing section for the final touch-ups. They are prepped, checked for various parameters, marked, protected, and finally packed. Ready to power the world, the batteries are unleashed in various sizes, brands, colors, capacities, and more for every type of industrial and automotive applications. And if that's not all, Amara-Raja Batteries is the technology leader and exports its lead-acid batteries to over 50 countries worldwide. The company's flagship brand, Amaron, is well known for its zero maintenance and differentiated product offerings. Other brands like PowerZone and Quanta are the market leaders in their segments. One of the 7 wonders of the world, the Taj Mahal. Every third car in Singapore, every second telecom tower in India are all powered by Amara-Raja batteries. The Amara-Raja Group empowers and enriches more than 16,000 families. And plans to scale up multifolds. With a focus on innovation with new products, striving for excellence in all the processes, entrepreneurial attitude in seeking new opportunities, creating transforming experiences for all, and owning up to every action responsibly. The company is poised for another phase of growth. Now that's what we call truly world-class. Amara-Raja.